Hello everyone. So today's Throwback Thursday video is going to be Mayo Biscuits. It was a recipe that I used to use in my daycare. So easy. Self-rising flour, you want 2 cups. While you got that going, set either your oven or your toaster oven at 425 degrees. Because these will have to cook for about 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. So there's your 2 cups of self-rising flour, 1 cup of milk, you're going to believe how easy this is, and they come out really nice. Now you can add cheese to it, or you can add Italian dressing, depending on what you want. 6 tablespoons of mayo, I'm going to go 4 tablespoons, I'm sorry. My brain said no. 3, 4. Why I thought 6, I'll never know. I have a little cup of water, or bowl of water over here because it's easier to maintain them. Then we just stir it up, and it's going to be a gloppy dough. And over here I have a foil cake, cupcake pan. You get them at the dollar store, you get 2 in a thing. Package, and I use those all the time because they're awesome. Now these biscuits will not brown very well unless you hit them with the broiler. So you don't want to overwork the dough, that's why I'm using the spoon. And that's it. So we're going to grab this. I'm going to dip this in the thing. I'm going to kind of try to, hope you can see what I'm doing. Just glop them in. Dip it in the water so it don't stick. It's my toaster oven ready. Whoa! Double dip in there. You just do this until, oops, I got the glob on the floor now. So I'll have enough to do probably another one. But so now I'm not even going to mess with it. I'm just going to stick it in the toaster oven and bake it for 10 minutes and I'll be back. Okay, so it's in my toaster oven, the Wolf Gourmet. I did get 2 more biscuits out of it, mix, and then I put water in the last of the 4 holes so that it would bake equally. It's looking good. 4 more minutes. Yum. Okay, I got them pulled out. I had put water in these and I drained them. I held onto the biscuits, drained them, and got those off. These were just taken out because I let them cook a few more minutes longer. So a total of 13 minutes. And they pop out real easy. See how pretty they are? I'm going to let those cool. And I use washcloths to get them out because that's how I roll. So I'll crack one open. Look how nice and pretty they are. Again, I really got to get me some real butter. So until then, I got some, I can't believe it's not butter. Wipe that off good. And I'm going to pour some honey, raw honey on it. Just drizzle a little bit on there. because nothing's better than honey, right? You can see how flaky these are. Oh my goodness. The honey is awesome. So, this is my Throwback Thursday video. Biscuits. We called them Mayo Biscuits. So easy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Take care. God bless, from my pantry to yours.